Hey guys, what's going on? Bryce is back out with us. We're gonna try to wrap up the Toyota Celica GTS. You can see her behind me in this beautiful Nardo gray. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe if you have not already. Bryce, what's going on?
No, I don't know. Just trying to figure out if we have enough wrap to this. If we have enough wrap to. Redo a couple things.
Yeah, so right now we're trying to figure out if we have enough of the gray left, and this is all the Nardo gray that we got. That's it. We got the side skirts laid out there. The previous owner did a really crappy white paint job, and I didn't sand the side skirts down properly, so it started to peel and bubble, so we got to deal with that. If you come over here, I wrapped up all those little pieces today with our 2K clear. So right over here we got the tail lights, the mirrors are down there. I'm gonna flip you around so you can take a look at that. All right, so I don't know how well this is gonna show, but we got a flake in the tinted tail lights, and then we carried that same theme over with the mirrors. So we put a tint, it's actually duplicolored clear effects inside there, and then used our 2K clear on top. We got the lip ready to rock. We're gonna finish wrapping that, and there is the GTS in all her glory. All right, what do you need me to do?
Nothing, I don't think.
Nothing? Hey, I was gonna show you this. You like my new kicks? Straight out of
Nice.
They're straight out of Dollar General, man. All I had was my work boots today, and I was like, I need something else other than my nice shoes to wreck. So there we go. Dollar General, 15 bucks, baby.
Nice.
All right, guys, we're gonna head in the garage. I'm gonna show you, kind of dingy in here, but we had a little issue with that carbon fiber hood, like I said. So I didn't love it, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that it just is, the rest of the car looks so good. The wrap is absolutely incredible, and this thing was super rough, and I didn't get it to where I was satisfied with the result. Also, it's completely different seeing it off the car and on the car, and to me personally, granted I don't have the C1 lip on yet, the car's not completely done, it almost looked a little too aggressive for my taste. So over here, what I did was painted the factory hood black. I did it exactly like we did the mirrors, so it has that flake in it. It has a really good quality clear coat on top. Then we're gonna take the hood scoop from the carbon fiber hood and put it on the stock hood. I think it should be a nice clean look. So I'm gonna go find something to do, and then we'll show you. I'm pretty much useless. Bryce is kind of the master here with the whole wrap game. So hopefully I can find some way to be productive. There's way too much math involved in this. Like now we're running towards the end of our wrap here, and we're trying to cut it in such a way that we have enough to do both the side skirts and the rear bumper again. Were you good at math?
No, terrible.
Actually?
Yep.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, oh, look at that. It's not the same color. Yeah, the hood didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, so I just sprayed the black, or sprayed the stock one black and called it a day for now.
Yeah.
But I feel like this one's really close. It's a little light, but
It's really close.
Bryce, look at this. They're drumming you up business everywhere. Little swapped 350Z. Is this supposed to look like a Supra hood?
Huh?
Is this supposed to look like the MK4 hood?
No.
It kind of reminds me of that.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking
Like
about.
the Fast and Furious.
Yep, yep.
Dude, this is nasty. No, I think definitely this one right here.
Yeah.
Mustard yellow. 5 hours later. Are you tired yet?
Kind of.
All right, guys, so you can tell some time has passed. Bryce is just grinding away on this thing. So I tried something kind of crazy, took it off, didn't like the graphics. That was our buddy Alex that showed up with that 350Z. That's actually 5.3 swapped. It's set up for drifting, got an angle kit in it, all sorts of good stuff. We did get the side skirt back on the car, and we'll take a better look at this in the daylight again, but I'm super happy with how the car turned out. We got the hood on the car with that VIS carbon fiber scoop on there, courtesy of Keystone Light. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, you guys, we're almost done wrapping the lip, and then I'm excited to see it on the car. She's finally coming together. Look at that. Oh man. All right, so I'm gonna come back and finish this video when we're not like dying and it's not dark. But is there any particular reason you left one of them white?
I don't know.
Hey, I paid good money for this.
I don't know.
You know, you're fired now.
Okay.
I'm just gonna finish it myself.
Yeah.
Oh, please come back. I can't do it. Guys, seriously though, look at this. That looks... I still don't know about the yellow or the... I don't know. I seriously... Everyone's going with white. I kind of like the yellow. Sammy, shut up. But, guys, it's not obviously mounted or anything yet. It's just... We just mocked it up on there. But this car is completely coming together. And, dude, I can't thank you enough. This is freaking awesome.
Yeah, no problem.
I love this. And I also like that you traded your GT for the little candy van over there. How much?
Well,
you got any Twix in there?
I think we have a few.
Man, oh man, you guys, it is the next day, and out in this sunlight, you can see all of this pearl in everything that we did. Look at the mirror here. Look at that. And the hood. You can see the pearl in that black as well. We got the carbon fiber scoop on there. And then not quite finished, but you know, you can see we got a few spots to go over, but we got the initial lay down on the C1 lip. All right, guys, so it is currently the next day. We are in the super messy shop, you know, all this kind of stuff as we go. It just kind of, you get carried away. We got into wrapping the car and everything just kind of turned into a mess. So our buddy Alex showed up with that 350Z yesterday. That's actually a 5.3 swap, and he is going to have Bryce wrap the over fenders and a few other little things on that car. My camera actually died as he showed up. We were filming some of that, so I'm sure we can get more videos and info on that car with Alex. He was doing like a test and tune for a drift event today. That thing was absolutely nasty. Cammed out, sounded like it was like a 1970s Chevelle, right? And it had a big angle kit in the front, so the front tires were kicking out, hence the over fenders. But yeah, me and Bryce just were grinding out on the Celica. And obviously, as you could see, it got dark and we got the lip wrapped. There's a few little issues with it, but I'm gonna bring you outside and we'll just kind of show you where everything's at. All right, so the GTS is behind me right there. The lip isn't completely attached yet. We got some splitter rods to support the middle. It's just mocked up on there right now. It's literally not even taped. So you can see that Bryce got it wrapped. It looks awesome. There's a few trouble spots. We had a lot of issues trying to wrap the lip for this car. For some reason, even after we scuffed it down, it didn't want to stick. I sanded it some more, painted it. It still didn't want to stick. We did it a third time, and third time's the charm apparently, because it came out pretty good. I'll show you the trouble spots, and then I actually messed around with some of our leftover black and did like a Fast and Furious ricey thing on the side. Decided I didn't like it at all. The car just looks too clean. Everyone hates the yellow headlights. I kind of like it, and I understand why people aren't a big fan of that, because it doesn't really match anything else on the car, but it's kind of in your face, right? So I don't know, we'll see what happens. It's just vinyl, so if I hate it, I can tear it off. But let's flip you around and show you the car. All right, guys, I don't know how else to do this other than to lay down, but all right, so you can see we're down by the lip, and there's a trouble spot right there. You can see a little bubble right about there, and there's a couple over on that side, but I don't think this is anything that Bryce and I can't figure out. You know, it was dark, it was late when we finished getting the initial wrap done on that lip, and I think it's something we're gonna be able to figure out. As far as everything else on the car goes, the hood is a stock hood that's now painted pearl black with the VIS carbon fiber scoop on there. Again, nothing's finalized right now. The lip isn't even completely bolted onto the car, nor is the front bumper. You can see the gap right there by the fender. But it's coming together, you guys, and all this stuff takes a lot of time. I come over here, I'll show you the side skirt we got done. It's actually fitted on there. Looks really nice on the car. It's exciting to see everything come together, and this stuff takes a lot of time, especially when you're filming the entire time that you're doing it. So anyway, I'm glad you guys are bearing with us on this project. After this, we really got to get the shop cleaned out again. It's just become a mess as we were dealing with this project. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I can't wait to get the Celica out on the road. We got to get those Moog tie rod ends in, and then we also got to get the coilovers installed on the car. Thanks for watching today's upload, you guys. Comment and subscribe down below if you have not already, and we'll see you next time.